Restart. A second point of nucleophilic substitution reaction. Everybody, second point, reaction with sodium alkoxide. You know sodium alkoxide, NaOR dash. Sodium alkoxide. Formation of ether. Formation of ether. What is this? This is the Williamson synthesis reaction. Williamson synthesis or Williamson reactions. Look here. Phenalkyl halide. Phenalkyl halide is reacted with sodium alkoxide. NaOR dash. Sodium alkoxide. Okay, what is this? Sodium alkoxide. Remove NaX. Remove NaX. What is this? This is NaX. Okay? Yes. You know product here like this. R dash plus NaX. Plus NaX. Look here, a name of the compound. What is this? This is the ethers. This is the ethers. Look here, phenalkyl halide. Phenalkyl halide is reacted with sodium alkoxide. Sodium alkoxide. Sodium alkoxide. It gives corresponding ethers. This reaction is called as a Williamson synthesis. This reaction is called as Williamson synthesis. Look here, phenalkyl halide is reacted with sodium alkoxide. It gives corresponding ethers. This reaction is called as Williamson synthesis. Look here, this reaction used for a preparation of simple ether as well as mixed ether. Simple ether as well as mixed ether. Correct? Yes. Look here, simple reaction example here. You know first simple ether. First example, simple ether. You know first simple ether. Look here, simple ether in bracket symmetrical ether. In bracket symmetrical ether. In bracket symmetrical ether. Okay, yes. Symmetrical ether. Look here, first, find my simple ether here. You know simple ether, ROR. In ether, okay, both alkyl group, okay, two same alkyl groups are bonded to divalent oxygen atom are called as a simple ether or symmetrical ether. You know, what is my simple ether? In ether, two identical alkyl groups or aryl groups bonded to a divalent oxygen atom are called as simple ether. Are called as simple ether. Means they are represented as ROR. Dimethyl ether, diethyl ether, okay, dimethyl ether, diethyl ether, okay, yes. Simple ether. Look here, next point. Next reaction. Okay. Look here, simple reaction CH3I. Name of the compound methyl iodide. Look here, is reacted with sodium methoxide. NaOCH3. Sodium methoxide. Sodium methoxide. What is this? Look here, remove of NaI. Here, remove of sodium iodide. Remaining part of the reaction here. Look here. CH3O CH3. Name of the compound dimethyl ether. Dimethyl ether plus NaI, sodium iodide. Look here, both alkyl group are same here. Oh yes, methyl methyl. What is this? Symmetrical ether or simple ether? You know, simple question here. What is the action of a methyl iodide or sodium methoxide? What is the action of a methyl iodide or sodium on sodium methoxide? Answer: when methyl iodide is heated with sodium methoxide, it gives dimethyl ether. It gives dimethyl ether. This is the example of, example of a symmetrical ether or simple ether. Look here, second question. Second question, what is the action of? Next is the, what is the action of ethyl bromide or sodium methoxide on sodium methoxide? Look here, ethyl bromide, CH3, CH2Br. Name of the compound ethyl bromide. Name of the compound ethyl bromide. Look here, when ethyl bromide is reacted with sodium NaOC2H5. Look here, name of the compound sodium ethoxide. Sodium ethoxide. Correct? Yes. Look here, compound CH3, CH2O, CH2, CH3 plus NaBr. Name of the compound diethyl ether. Diethyl ether. Repeat. When ethyl bromide is reacted with sodium methoxide, it gives diethyl ether. Both alkyl group are ethyl. Means diethyl. What is this? Simple ether or symmetrical ether? Simple ether or symmetrical ether? Everybody answer. When ethyl bromide is reacted with sodium methoxide, it gives diethyl ether. Actually, type of reaction is nucleophilic substitution reaction. A type of reaction is nucleophilic substitution reaction. Look here, in this reaction, order of reactivity of alkyl halide: 1 degree greater than 2 degree greater than 3 degree. Common order Ri greater than Rbr greater than Rcl. Okay. They are also called as the alkoxylation reaction. Why? Addition of alkoxyl group. Alkoxylation reaction. Okay? Yes. Look here, simple ether. Two example. First example, methyl iodide. And second example, ethyl bromide. Okay? For a simple ether. Correct? Yes. Look here, next. You know, second point, mixed ether. Mixed ether. In bracket, unsymmetrical ether. Okay, here unsymmetrical ether. Okay. Look here, what is meant by unsymmetrical ether here? ROR dash. Look here, in ether, two different alkyl groups are attached to divalent oxygen atom, are called as mixed ether or unsymmetrical ether. What is my unsymmetrical ether? In ether, two unsymmetrical alkyl group are bonded to divalent oxygen atom. Divalent oxygen atom are called as mixed ether or unsymmetrical ether. Mixed ether or unsymmetrical ether. Look here, reaction, simple reaction, everybody. Simple question. What is the action of methyl iodide on sodium ethoxide? Methyl iodide on sodium ethoxide. You know methyl iodide like this. You know CS3I. Methyl iodide. Correct? Yes. Reaction with sodium ethoxide. NaOC2H5. Sodium ethoxide. Sodium ethoxide. Correct? Yes. You know product. Actually, in this reaction, a ring of Na, sodium iodide. Correct? Yes. This remaining part. Look here, CS3O, C2H5 plus NaI, sodium iodide. Name of the compound? Ethyl, methyl, methyl ether. Alphabetically order: ethyl, methyl ether. First E, then M. Ethyl, methyl ether. Alphabetically order. IUPAC name of this compound? Methoxyethane. IUPAC methoxyethane. Simple questions. You know what is the action of methyl iodide or sodium methoxide on sodium ethoxide? When methyl iodide is reacted with sodium ethoxide, it gives ethyl methyl ether. Look here, both alkyl groups same or different? Different. What is this type? Unsymmetrical ether. Means mixed ether. Mixed ether. Actually, Williamson synthesis used for a preparation of, you know, a simple ether as well as mixed ether. But here example is mixed ether. Okay? Yes. Look here. In next example, next is what is the action of? What is the action of ethyl bromide on sodium methoxide? You know ethyl bromide here, CS3, next CS2, next Br, ethyl bromide. Ethyl bromide. Correct? Yes. Name of compound ethyl bromide. When ethyl bromide is reacted with sodium methoxide, NaOCH3. Correct? Yes. Remove NaBr. Sodium bromide. Actually, reaction is nucleophilic substitution reaction. Nucleophilic substitution reaction. Okay? Here Br is replaced by C. Okay? OCS3 minus OCS3. Okay? Yes, hitting. Look here. You know, like this. CS3, CH2, O, CS3. Name of the compound? Ethyl methyl ether. Common name. Ethyl methyl ether. Common name according to alphabetically order. Ethyl methyl ether. Correct? NaBr. Look here, questions here. What is the action of ethyl bromide on sodium methoxide? Sodium methoxide. Look here, when ethyl bromide is reacted with sodium methoxide, it gives ethyl methyl ether. It gives ethyl methyl ether. Correct? Yes. Look here. What is it? This is the Williamson synthesis. This is the Williamson synthesis or reaction with sodium alkoxide. Sodium alkoxide. Correct? Yes. Look here. The most important point here. Everybody here, reaction type is nucleophilic substitution reaction. Nucleophilic substitution reaction. What is this? This is the JEE/NEAT. Okay? Yes. First point, it is the nucleophilic substitution reaction. You know, second point, in this reaction, order of reactivity of alkyl halide, here 1 degree alkyl halide greater than 2 degree alkyl halide greater than 3 degree alkyl halide. 1 degree alkyl halide greater than 2 degree alkyl halide greater than 3 degree alkyl halide. means primary alkyl halide greater than secondary alkyl halide greater than tertiary alkyl halide. Look here, a common order here, in this reaction, order of reactivity of alkyl halide. Okay, Ri greater than Rdr greater than RCl. Ri greater than Rdr greater than RCl. Okay, fourth point in this reaction also is called as, okay, alkoxylation reaction. What is this? This reaction is called as alkoxylation reaction. Alkoxylation reaction. You know type of reaction here, nucleophilic substitution reaction. Second, in this reaction, order of reactivity of alkyl halide, primary alkyl halide greater than secondary alkyl halide greater than tertiary alkyl halide. Okay? Yes. Next, everybody, order of reactivity. Look here, order of reactivity of common order here, alkyl iodide greater than, simple, alkyl iodide greater than alkyl bromide greater than alkyl chloride. Last, everybody, last. This reaction also is called as a alkoxylation reaction. Alkoxylation reaction, correct? Yes. Look here, you know a statement of Williamson synthesis. Statement of Williamson synthesis. Repeat. Fen alkyl halide. Fen and alkyl halide is reacted with sodium alkoxide. Sodium alkoxide. It gives a corresponding ether. This reaction used for simple ether as well as mixed ether. Simple ether as well as mixed ether. Okay? Complete a Williamson synthesis or reaction with a sodium alkoxide. Okay? Stop here. Thank you.